Welcome back to TechMan. Today, we will guide you through the process of adding videos to your Shopify product pages. Log into your Shopify account and navigate to the admin panel. Click on Products in the left sidebar to view your product list. Choose the product you want to add a video to by clicking on its name. Scroll down to the Media section. Click on Add Media and select Upload to upload a video file from your computer. After the video is uploaded, make sure to click Save at the top right corner of the page. Just a quick note, you need to purchase a plan on Shopify to proceed with this one. But if you're using a trial plan, you can just do the alternative way. Now open a new window and go to YouTube and find a video you want to embed. Click on the share button below the video and click this embed over here. You can customize the timestamp over here and hit copy once done. Now let's go back to our product editor over here. On the description box, click the insert video on the ribbon part, then paste here the link you copied on YouTube. Click insert video below, and there you have it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.